Welcome back children. Yes, today we will start, that is lesson number 10, measurement. Yes, students, up to 9th lesson you studied. So today this is the 10th lesson. So here in this lesson we will do as here. So for example, whenever you will be make a drawing. So what you will do? So in that time, so you will be using a scale. Yes, using a scale means use the scale and join the dots. Okay, so like here, so I'll make here, see, so I'll use the scale and I'll draw a rectangle. Okay, so here see, I'll draw a rectangle. Yes, so I'll use the scale and I draw a rectangle. Yes, so here we can understanding here. So whatever we will be measuring, okay, whatever we will be measuring, we use a what? Measurement. Yes, so we use a measurement. Yes, students, so in this lesson we will be studying. So know the need of standard unit of measurement. So unit of measurement, for example, centimeter, kilometer, meter. Yes, so scale instruments according to a measurements. So learn the use of measuring instruments. So we are using the instruments, no, measuring instruments. So what is the use of those all we are using? Okay, so and next one. So estimate the length of given objects. Yes, whatever I'll tell you, for example, it means pencil is there. Okay, so I will tell you. So it means how much centimeter is there pencil length. So measure the pencil length. So how we will be measuring? Using scale, and we will be measure this scale. What it is? Pencil. Yes. So like we will be understanding the length of the objects. Yes. Yes, they can be given here. So one of the story, it means how to measuring, they can be given here. See, preparation for festival. Okay, so Jyoti, she is one of the third standard students. Okay, so Jyoti goes to a market with her father to buy a flowers for Gauri Ganesha festival. Yes, so Jyoti went to a market. So what purpose she went to market? She buy a flowers because of Gauri Ganesha festival. Okay. She observes as her father buys flowers. She observes, what she observing? So father is buying a flowers. Yes. So Jyoti, daddy, see here, the flowers are so beautiful. So she does see the flowers, different colored flowers. She saw that one. So she is tell to his father, daddy, see here, the flowers are so beautiful. Father, ask flower seller to give a flowers. So flower seller who are selling a flowers, we can call that one florist or as a flower seller. Okay. So ask flower seller to give a flowers. Flower vendor. So that one, how much shall I give, sir? Vendor means a florist. How much shall I give you? Yes. So father, I want 1 pathom of flowers. So 1 pathom of flowers. 1 pathom of flowers means, I'll show you, see here, this is 1 pathom. The 2 hands it will be like, no, this is 1 pathom. Yes, so this we can call as a 1 pathom. So our dad, it means his dad is asking 1 pathom of flowers. So flower vendor's son, daddy, I will measure the flower with my hand. Okay, he is measuring. Father, no, let your father measure. Jyoti, father, the boy likes to measure, let him to do it. Okay, father, no, let your father measure, because you know that is, so the father hands become big. Okay, so and his son hands become short. So this pathom is depend upon the person. Okay, yes. So here father, no child. If his father measures, we get more flowers, because means lengthy of hands. Yes, long hands. Okay, so that purpose, that father is who's the Jyoti's daddy is tell to measure his father only. Father, okay, each of you give 1 pathom of flower. Each of it different flowers they can be buying. Okay, Jyoti, how is it? Both father and son will give the same 1 pathom and of flowers. See, same pattern of flowers, how it is it will become as more, how we can get a more flowers. So she is thinking, father. But one pattern measured by flower vendor will be a more than one pattern measured by his son by comparing the two. So comparing of pattern of a father and pattern of son. So it will come a different of flowers. Yes. Yes. Jyoti. Oh yes. Why didn't I realize this one? Why don't we use the same device so that the measurements are equal? Why we are not using a measurements? Because wherever we are using the measurements, that comes equal, but a person hands become a short, become a length. Okay, so it will come a different measuring length. Yes. So yes, so we can understanding what we can understanding pattern. The florists are using the measurement is pattern. Okay, yes. So measurement, how much and how. So here see, in the classroom the students are measuring the blackboard. Okay, see here, Kumar, Ramya, Salma and John, these all are measuring the blackboard using a handspan. Yes students, so we can understanding pattern means, see here, I'll measure the pattern of blackboard. Okay, see, this is one pattern. Yes, so this is one pattern, and here see, so one pattern, so it means 1.5 pattern. So how much is there? 1.5 pattern of blackboard. If we are measuring using a measuring pattern, so if we are using a handspan, so this we can call as a handspan. So okay, so here up to here to here, so this is one handspan. So we are using one handspan from here to here. Okay, this we can call as a one handspan. So here all the students are using, they are so and measuring, so they are using and measuring, what they are using and measuring? Handspan. So from here to here 1, so here to here 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 4 fingers. Okay, so totally 12 pattern of blackboard. In our school blackboard is how much is there? 12 handspan of blackboard. Okay, so like these 4 members, these 4 students also measuring the blackboard in their school. Okay, teacher, children, what you are doing? Students, we are measuring the blackboard by our hand, so our handspan. Teacher, are the measurements same? Here see students, all are the students, see here students hand it will comparing. Okay, so not all the students hand is not equal. Okay, not the same. Okay, so here see the teacher, are the measurements are same? Students, no sir or no madam. Okay, so teacher, take this scale and now everyone measure the blackboard using a scale and fill the tables. Okay, so they can be given in one of the tables. Okay, so here what they can be measuring, so they are left out the handspan and they are using a scale and measuring here. So students name they can be mentioned here, Kumar. So Kumar is measuring and using that scale, so he is measuring what it is, scale is how much? 20 times he measured. Okay, same as Salma, she is also measuring, she is also, it comes as a 20 times measuring times. Okay, so next one, Ramya is also 20 times measured, she is also measured 20 times with her scale. John, 20 times measure. See, all are measuring the what? Blackboard. So and they are using what? They are using scale. Okay, so all they are using scale, so but all the measurements are equal. But if you are using a handspan, the measurement it comes as a what? Different. Okay, Yes. So observe the measurements. The measurements are equal. Why think here? See, all the students are use the same scale. Okay. Hence, the measurements is comes equal. Okay. Yes. See here, they can be given here. Observe the scale. The first number of in this scale is, okay. So we can observing this scale. Okay. See this scale. So this is the scale. So from here number from here 0 to 15 is there. Okay. So here in this first in this scale, the first number is in this scale, which is there here. 0 is the first number in the scale. Okay. So 0 is the first number in the scale. The last number in the scale. So if it is we are using big scale, it comes 30. But here, so we are using small scales. No. So this scale, how it is? That is the length is, that is the last end of the length is how much? 15 centimeter. Is there 15? They can be mentioned here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, the last number is 15. Okay. And see, the number of long lines in the scale is, the number of long lines, how many are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here 16 are there. So here 0, 1 is there. No, here 16 number of long lines are there. Okay. Yes, number of short lines between any two long lines. Between any two long lines, we are count the short line. How many are there here? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So number of in between two numbers from here 1 to 2 in between 9 lines are there. So we are using the long lines. It will become as a 10. Yes. So in between the number how many are there? 9 lines. Okay. Yes. So such a 9 short lines and a 1 long line together to form a group of 10 lines. Here. So I am using here. So now I will draw a scale. Okay, see here. So this is a scale. From here 0. Okay, so this is a long line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here small long line is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big long line. So it will become 1. Okay. So next 1, 2, 3, 4. Little bit long. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now, so it will become 2. Like it can be going here to here. How many lines are there here? So here from 0 it will start it from 0. Okay. So here from 0 to 1. So how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if we are count the long line, it will become as 10. Yes. Yes. So such a 9 short lines and 1 long line together to form a group of 10 lines. Okay. So this group of 10 lines is equal to 1 centimeter. See, from here to here. So if we are using this long line now, so it will become as 10. So here 10 group of lines we can call as a 1 centimeter. See, from here to here, how many centimeters we can consider? 1 centimeters. So this centimeter is represented by here cm. Okay, centimeter is represented by cm. Then next, so it is written as 1 centimeter in a small scale. We are using as a such as up to 15 groups. Okay, so here up to 15 groups. So we can measure the length of several objects using the scale. Okay, so they can using here. So I'll using the scale and measuring the scale. Measuring the pencil. Okay, so here see, this is the pencil. I am using the scale to measuring. So from here 0 to here 12 centimeter is there. Yes, how much is there here? See, so this, what it is, this pencil is up to 12 centimeters. So it is a starting point we can call as, so we are using starting point now from here 0. So this is end point. End point is 12 centimeter. Yes, so here we are using, so this of pencil this pencil, this point is we can call as starting point. What we can call? Starting point. So here the end of pencil, how much is there? No, so that we can call as here. So this is end point. Totally how much centimeter is there here? So the pencil is 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter of pencil. Okay, how to measuring? Yes, so here see, I'm using the duster and measuring. See here, from 0 to 12.5. The duster measuring is here 0 to 12.5 centimeter of duster length. Okay, yes, so we can understanding how to measure the point. So from start point and end point. Okay, yes. Yes students, they can be given here in the exercise page number 72. They can given here. First main, measure the length of the given pictures using a scale and write the length in the space provided. Okay, so they can be given here pictures. Okay, so now we will do this one. So now we will study this exercise through a textbook. Okay, yes. Yes, see students, so in this first measure the length of the given picture using a scale and write the length in the space provided. Okay, so here see one of the car they can given here, this is the picture. Okay, this is here, they can given here one of the pillar. So here broom and table, key. Yes, so now we will be measure these all. So this is a bulb, tube light we can call. Okay, so now we will be measure, they can be given here the point measuring. So here from here see they can measuring, this is 1 point and this is another 1 point. So keep here the point here from 0 to here how much here? 8.5, 8.6, sorry 6.6. So this is 6.6 centimeter. Yes, how much is there this picture? 6.6 centimeter. Okay, yes. Next one, that is tube light. Okay, so here see from 0 to exact 8 centimeter is there. Yes, exact how much is there here? 8 centimeter. Okay, sorry, exact 6 centimeter is there. Okay, 6 centimeter. Yes, okay, the see here this broom, we'll see now, this is 5 centimeter. How much is there here? 5 centimeter. Okay, yes, here this table, we'll measure now this table, length of this table 7, so 6.9. Yes, how much is there? 6.9 centimeter. Okay, yes. Next one, key. See this key, 2.9. So this is 2.9 centimeter. Okay, understood this one? Yes, so we can understanding the length of the measure. So we will measure and write here in the centimeter. So we are using scale now. So the scale is in a centimeter. Okay, so using centimeter scale. So next we are going to, that is exercise 10.1. Okay, see here, measure the length of the objects given below in the centimeter and write in the space provided. Yes, we will measure and write in a like same way we will be measuring no. So here also we will be measure and write in a centimeter. Okay, here see from carrot, so here 0 to 4 centimeter. So here, so we will write as 4 centimeter carrot length. Okay, next one here, see they can given here textbook. The length of textbook is 1.9 centimeter. How much is there? The length of 1.9 centimeter. Okay, next length of the textbook, length of watch See here, length of watch is 6 centimeter, exact 6 centimeter. Okay, so here geometry box they can given here. The length of this box 5 centimeter. Okay, so length of geometry box is 5 centimeter. So this is the map. Okay, see here. Okay, see here. So this picture length is how much? 7 centimeter. Yes. So 7 centimeter. Yes, understood students. So here in the exercise 10.1 we will measure the things and we write here the centimeters. Okay, so measuring, we will measure and write the centimeter in the boxes. Understood how to measuring? Okay. Yes, so they can given here another one thing, that is we will measure and now we will tell the length of the things. Okay, yes, see here. So this is, keep here 0 on this point and here see exact 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Okay, the length of ink pot. Okay, see here length of ink pot 2 centimeter. How much is there? 2 centimeter. Yes, students, understood this one? How we will be measuring the things. Okay, next one we are going as here the meter scale they can be given here. Okay, see in this shop here, see that person is the cloth merchants. Okay, so here the person is measuring the length of cloth. Okay, see, have you observed the scale used in a cloth shop? So in the cloth shop they are using scale because the scale is very short. Yes, so they are not using the scale. Okay, so they are use a bigger scale. Yes, that is not convenient to use a small one to measure a longer object, since it takes a long time to measure and becomes very convenient. So bigger scale they are using. That bigger scale we can call as a meter scale. Yes, see, this person is using the scale. This is we can call as a meter scale. Yes, in that meter scale, so how much centimeter is there in the meter scale? So we are using, this is how much centimeter is there, last one is 15 centimeter is there. Okay, so it's from 0 to 15, but in the meter scale from 0 to 100 centimeter, long scale that is. Okay, so 0 to 100 centimeter, that is equal to 1 meter. Yes, it means 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Yes, understood this one? So that long scale that is up to 100, so that 100 centimeter is equal to, we can call as a 1 meter. Okay, yes, see here they can given here, put a right mark for a suitable scale to measure the length of object given below. If the small things we will be measure, no, so we are using scale. If we are using a long things, it means the bigger things we are measure, so we are using the meter scale. Okay, so some of the objects they can given here, we will be using which method, it means we are using scale or as a meter scale we are using, write a tick mark here. The length of pen we are using, so the length of pencil like we are using, so which one? Centimeter. Yes, centimeter we are using, tick a right mark in the centimeter. Okay, next one, see here length of classroom. Length of classroom, which means which one we are using here, only two they can be mentioned, no, so here we are using meter scale. Okay, classroom. Length of the cricket bat. Length of the cricket bat, which one we are using? Bat. So we are using meter scale or centimeter scale. So we are using here. Okay, see here. So here the length of cricket bat we are using centimeter scale or meter scale? Yes, tell me students, centimeter or meter? We are using no cricket bat. Yes, that is we are using centimeter scale. Okay, so next one, length of playground. Length of playground we are using meter scale. Yes, okay. Height of the door they can mention here, meter scale. Okay, height of the door we are using to measure, meter scale. Length of a book, this book length, how much is this? See, this book length will measure now here from 15 here. Okay, so next one, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So the length of textbook is 24. So it means we are using which scale it is? Centimeter scale. Yes, we are using centimeter scale. Length of sari, here see they are using. So that we can scale, we can call as a long scale, that is meter scale, length of sari. Next one, length of an eraser. Eraser length very short now that is. So we are using centimeter. Length of pencil, we are using centimeter. Yes, understood students, we are using meter scale and centimeter. Which are the things we are using to measure meter scale, and which are the things we are using to measure centimeter scale? Yes, understood this one? Okay. Here see, if available, use a meter scale or use a scale prepared by yourself and measure the following. Record the measures in the nearest meter in the shop. Okay, space they can be provided. Length of the blackboard in the classroom, how we will be measuring? If it is it means if it is there in the meter scale, you are using meter scale. Yes, so here see, if available, use a meter scale or use a scale prepared by yourself and measure the following. So we are using blackboard, so meter scale we are using. Okay, which scale we are using here? Meter scale. So here, length of the table in the classroom. Length of the table in the classroom we are using centimeter scale. Okay, length of the bench in the classroom, so that is also centimeter or meter. If it is, which one is available, that. The width of the classroom door, meter. Okay, distance from your place to the blackboard in the classroom, that is also meter. Distance between two walls of a room, that is also meter. You understood? So here we are using centimeter scale and also meter scale. Yes students, up to here we will be learn. Okay, so we can understanding how to measure using of centimeter scale and also meter scale. Yes. Yes students, I hope you understood up to here. So tomorrow we'll continue the rest of this lesson. Okay, thank you for watching.